The slide rail is made of 304 stainless steel. Anti-corrosion and anti-rust. Resistant to high and low temperatures. It can withstand temperatures ranging from -40 to 80 degrees. The slide rail can bear a weight of 53 kilograms. With rollers, it pulls smoothly. Suitable for drawer-type refrigerators and freezers. Support various refrigerator brand sizes. If there are special requirements, we also support customized solutions. Actual usage feedback from customers. The drawer bounces back automatically and closes gently without any collision sound. Senso was founded in 2009 and has 16 years of experience in production and export. The factory has a mature automated assembly line. The factory covers an area of over 12,000 square meters. Among them, there are a total of 13 sets of rolling forming equipment. The factory has over 100 frontline workers and produces more than 40,000 pairs of slide rails daily. According to customer demands, various scenario-based customized services can be provided.